Welcome to a world of organized bliss. Today, we're diving into some of the best home organizing ideas and trends. From minimalist living to smart storage solutions and sustainable organizing, we'll explore a variety of trends that are making waves in the world of home organization. Whether you're a seasoned organizer or just starting out, we've got something for everyone. So sit back, relax, and get ready to transform your living space. Welcome to Serene Shelter, where we bring you the best trends and ideas to transform your home into a peaceful sanctuary. One of the hottest trends in home organization is minimalism. But what exactly is minimalism? Picture this, a space where every item has a purpose and a designated spot. It's about simplifying your surroundings and, by extension, your life. It's not about having less, it's about making room for more time, more peace, more creativity. When we talk about minimalism in terms of home organization, we're talking about a thoughtful approach to what you bring into your home and what you choose to keep. It's about reducing clutter, yes, but it's also about creating a more relaxed, more fulfilling living environment. With fewer possessions, cleaning becomes easier, finding things becomes a breeze, and each room begins to feel like a breath of fresh air. The benefits extend beyond the physical. Imagine the tranquility that comes with knowing every item in your home has its place. The mental clarity that comes with less visual clutter. The satisfaction of living in a space that truly reflects your values and lifestyle. Minimalism isn't just a trend, it's a lifestyle that can truly transform your home and your life. Next up, we have smart storage solutions. As the saying goes, a place for everything and everything in its place. But what if you could make that place work even harder for you? That's where smart storage solutions come into play. Let's start with underbed storage. Often overlooked, this space is a goldmine for storing items like off-season clothing, bedding, or even books. It's like having an extra closet right under where you sleep. Next, consider multi-purpose furniture. Think coffee tables with hidden compartments or ottomans that double up as storage boxes. These pieces are not only functional, but also add to the aesthetic of your home. Finally, don't forget about vertical storage. Walls aren't just for hanging pictures. Install shelves or hooks to take advantage of the vertical space. It's an excellent way to display your favorite items while keeping them organized. Smart storage solutions are not just about stashing things away, they are about making the most of every nook and cranny in your home. They help you maximize space, keep things tidy, and maintain a serene and clutter-free environment. Smart storage solutions are an innovative and practical way to keep your home organized and clutter-free. The third trend we're looking at is sustainable organizing. Now, sustainability isn't just a buzzword. It's a way of life. It's about making choices that are good for both our planet and our pockets. When it comes to home organization, this can mean repurposing items we already have instead of buying new. An old ladder can become a chic bookshelf, or a vintage suitcase can serve as a stylish storage box. But sustainable organizing doesn't stop at repurposing. It also includes buying second-hand items. Thrift stores and online marketplaces are treasure troves of unique pieces that can add character to your home while reducing waste. Lastly, consider choosing sustainable materials when you do need to buy new. Bamboo, for instance, is a wonderful alternative to plastic. It's durable, biodegradable, and has a timeless appeal. So you see, sustainable organizing is a win-win. It benefits the environment by reducing waste and consumption, and it benefits you by creating a home that's not only organized, but also brimming with personality and charm. Sustainable organizing is not only good for the planet, but it also adds a unique and personal touch to your home. Those were just a few of the best home organizing ideas and trends. We've journeyed through minimalist living, explored smart storage solutions, and delved into sustainable organizing. All these trends are not just aesthetically pleasing, but also create a more efficient and serene living space. What are your thoughts on these trends? Do you have any of your own home organizing ideas? Share them in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Serene Shelter for more home organization tips and trends.